In this video, we are going to evaluate expressions. So by the end of this video, we should be able to do that, which means if I give you something like 2x plus 5 squared, and the value of x, in this case x is -1, I'll be able to find the single value for that entire expression. Before we start, let's talk about the different parts of an expression. There's 3 vocab words I want us to know. So in 2x plus 3, that's the expression we're going to work with. This 2 has a name, x has a name, and 3 has a name. The names of them, the 2 is a coefficient, and the reason for that is because it is being multiplied by a variable. And that should give us a clue as to what x is. We call that a variable. It is an unknown value. And lastly, we have 3, which is a constant. Right? And it's a constant is just a number whose value we know. All right, so those are the parts of an expression we're going to need for right now. So let's take a look at a couple examples. This first one's going to be 2 examples in 1. And actually, I'm going to erase this to start. So we have on the left 2 times 3 plus 4. On the right, we have 2x plus 4. So on the left, these are all numbers. We know the values. We can use our order of operations on these. So 2 times 3 is 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Right? We can simplify that down to a single value. On the other side, 2x plus 4, we can't simplify that right now. Right? It's already fully simplified. We can't evaluate it because we don't know all the existing values. In fact, it could be anything, right? Because x right now could be anything. But I'm going to give you a little bit more information that in this case, x is 3. When x is 3, I'm going to substitute that in for the variable and get 2 times 3 plus 4, which is actually the same thing as that is written on the left. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. All right, let's do 2 more examples. So example 1, right, this will be the first one to do, x plus 5 quantity squared, given that x is -2. So we're going to plug this number in, we're going to substitute it, is the actual correct term there, for x. And we get -2 plus 5 squared. And that -2 came from replacing the x. All right, and we can use our order of operations now. -2 plus 5 is +3, and +3 squared is 9. So when we evaluate that expression, we get 9. Let's do one more. On the right, we have 6 times m minus 1 all over 2m plus 3. And in this case, we're given that m is 6. Okay, so if m is 6, we're going to replace every single m with the value 6. So 6 times 6 minus 1 over 2 times 6 plus 3. These 2 6's are brand new and they're replacing the 2 m's that are above it. And if we continue with our order of operations, we can do 6 times 5 over 12 plus 3. 6 times 5 is 30. 12 plus 3 is 15, and 30 divided by 15 is 2. Good luck with your practice there.